Welcome back to my channel. Want long, thick, shiny hair without spending a fortune? The ancient secret of rice water is taking over the world, and what it does in just 7 days is nothing short of magical. But wait, most people use it the wrong way. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful DIYs that actually work: a hair mask, a hair serum, and a rinse. All from simple rice water, but with a twist. And if you stay till the end, I'll reveal a pro tip used by Japanese and Chinese women for centuries to grow floor-length hair naturally. Ready for the secret? Let's begin. What is rice water and why is it so powerful? Rice water isn't just water left over from cooking rice, it's a natural elixir, rich in amino acids, inositol, vitamin B, and antioxidants. These nutrients strengthen hair roots, repair damaged strands, and make hair softer, shinier, and dramatically longer. In ancient Japan, women of the Heian period were known for their floor-length hair, and they washed it using fermented rice water. Yes, fermented, that's where the real magic happens. How to make rice water: 3 simple ways. Soaked rice water, quick method: rinse 1/2 cup of rice to remove impurities. Soak it in 2 cups of water for 30 minutes. Strain and store in a spray bottle. Boiled rice water, for protein boost, boil 1/2 cup of rice with 2 cups of water. Let it cool and strain, use the thick water. Rich in starch and acts as a natural conditioner. Fermented rice water, most powerful: soak rice overnight, then leave it at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. When it smells slightly sour, it's ready. Fermentation lowers pH, making it closer to your scalp's natural oils, enhancing absorption and results. Tip: store in the fridge for up to 7 days. Always shake before use. How to use IT3D rice water treatments. Rice water hair mask, deep nourishment: mix 3 tablespoons of fermented rice water. Add 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon castor oil. Apply to your scalp and hair lengths. Leave for 30 minutes and rinse with mild shampoo. Best for weak roots, hair fall, and dull hair. Rice water hair serum, leave-in magic: mix 2 tablespoons fermented rice water. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil and glycerin. Optional. Add 2 drops of lavender or rosemary oil. Pour into a spray bottle and use on damp hair. Best for frizz control, shine, and daily nourishment. Rice water hair rinse, post-wash shine: after shampooing, pour plain or diluted rice water on your hair. Massage into the scalp for 5 minutes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Best for softness, bounce, and scalp health. Pro tip: ancient secret technique. For faster growth and thicker strands, mix fermented rice water with green tea. Yes, green tea is rich in EGCG, which boosts hair follicle activity. Spray this blend 3x a week and massage gently. This is one of the best kept secrets of Asian beauty rituals. Final tips for best results. Always patch test before full application. Use 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Don't over-ferment, 48 hours is enough. For very dry hair, always mix with oils or aloe vera. So now you know, rice water isn't just hype, it's a science-backed, ancient beauty elixir that can transform your hair if used correctly. Which DIY will you try first, the mask, serum, or rinse? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's dreaming of longer, healthier hair. New natural beauty tips coming every week. Hit the bell so you don't miss them. Until next time, stay natural, stay radiant. Thank you for watching.